If you want to change a theme on the Xiaomi 17, what you need to do is you need to simply go to the Themes app. Of course, this should be pre-installed on your phone. And once you go over here, you'll want to make sure that Themes is selected, and then you can just simply try to find the theme that you like the most. Some of these options are paid, some of them are for free, so you should be able to find whichever theme you like the most. And in this case, we also have the option to unlock the theme by simply watching an ad, which is also some sort of like a free content as well, I suppose. So once you find the theme that you wish to use and once you get it, you should be able to apply it. You can also go to customize in order to decide which options should be affected, and then you can tap on apply. So you don't have to change everything, but you can change just a couple of things. And there we go. As you can see, I have a new theme on my phone. And let's also see if settings are affected as well. There we go. No, actually settings are just exactly the same as they were, but in some cases you might actually change the appearance in the menus as well. But that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.